All right, so today I am reviewing these solar light posts. You can see the little solar panel right up there. They are plastic, but it is a nice heavy-duty plastic. It's also plastic glass. It's not glass. They do have that reflective material right there, which is nice. They came in a 4-pack. These were sent to me to review, and I thank them for that. They're really nice out here for our property. I put them up on various places through our fence. You can see you can just twist this off, and there is the bulb right there. And there's 2 different settings. You can see the battery is right in there too, which is good because that means you could change it out if need be, if this battery ever weared out. They have 2 different settings, 1 and 2, different levels of brightness. And there is the bulb right there. It puts off a really nice light, and then this just twists back in. I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart more, just show you how easy it is for these to install. This part just twists off right here. You can see you can screw it 4 screws onto the side. See that twist pattern? Or I just put them on the side right here instead of drilling right down. The other thing that's nice about these is that they work for 3.5 or 4x4 posts. You can see down here there's like a little section where you can pull that out to fit a bigger post size. These are for like a 3.5, and it also works for a 6x6 post and includes this adapter as well. So super versatile. Gonna go ahead and show a video next of them all lit up at night. They've been providing great light this whole time, but I just wanted to go over some of the features in the daytime where it's easier to see. And here they are, all lit up at night. They look great. Added security, curb appeal, all of that. Couldn't be happier, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.